right, ahead of the holiday weekend, with millions making plans to spend time with loved ones, the Omicron variant is now the dominant strain of the coronavirus in the country. It is now confirmed in all but 6 states. Today, President Joe Biden laid out his new plan to stop the variant from spreading even further while urging everyone get vaccinated.
The best thing to do is get fully vaccinated and get your booster shot. And no, this is not March of 2020. 200 million people are fully vaccinated. We're prepared. We know more. We just have to stay focused.
The president's plan involves increasing testing, making 500 million rapid at-home tests free for Americans. That starts in January. The government will also add testing sites in areas that need more capacity to support hospitals. President Biden said 1,000 members of the military will be deployed to help staff those facilities taking care of COVID patients. And today in Louisville, Mayor Greg Fisher confirmed the metro's first recorded Omicron case, a vaccinated woman who was tested 2 weeks ago, and the health department is expecting the highly contagious variant numbers to rise quickly. Is calling on the community to prepare. The WHS 11 night team's Isaiah Kim Martinez shows us the steps being taken right before the holiday.
Well, Kristen, health experts said this would happen. It wasn't a matter of if, but when Omicron made it to Louisville, and for some families here, that was enough for them to head straight to vaccine clinics today.
We're going to get shots right now.
Availability that was once limited to a small group has turned into families getting their shots together with their kids.
Get people to understand this is not a game.
At Neighborhood House's weekly vaccine clinic in the Portland neighborhood, we saw people of all ages, even teenagers and kids as young as 5 years old, get their doses just ahead of Christmas.
Jackson is if you take your shot and be a big boy, since it's going to bring you more toys.
For some, the timing isn't a coincidence, as the Omicron COVID-19 variant has become the dominant strain in the country and broken into Louisville.
The Omicron virus is the reason why we are here today.
This family of 3 all got their boosters Tuesday evening.
We literally had plans to do it beginning of February because we have to travel. With this new variant, we realized we can't wait that long.
In his weekly COVID briefing, Mayor Greg Fisher, along with Louisville's health department, warned the community to prep for the variant more contagious than Delta and with risks more unclear.
The jury is still a little bit out on Omicron in terms of how severe it may or may not be. But it is very, very contagious, very transmissible.
Health officials are pushing vaccinations, including boosters, while admitting breakthrough cases may still happen, saying it's still the best way to avoid hospitalizations and death. Meanwhile, Norton Healthcare, Baptist Health, and U of L's hospitals all say they've also seen at least slight upticks in people getting tested in the last couple weeks. As holiday gatherings soon reach its peak. Weeks ago, kids like 5-year-old Jackson couldn't get the shot. Now, families like his and others,
It's going to help in the long run because COVID's not going nowhere,
are taking advantage, hoping for a sickness-free holiday.
And Louisville's health department director, Dr. Sarah Moyer, is also telling businesses to prepare now to have chunks of staff out at a time in the weeks to come because of Omicron. Kristen.
All right, thanks, Isaiah. There are more than 100 places in Louisville where you can get the vaccine, including pop-up clinics organized by the health department. To find one near you, text the word vaccine to 502-582-7290. We'll send the list directly to your phone.